This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Chinese soya sauce chicken wings. I have here 1 kilogram of mid-joint chicken wings, or flats. You can use the drums as well, or a combination of both the drums and the flats. Marinate these wings with 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Two teaspoons of dark soya sauce. Two tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. One tablespoon of sugar. Also add in 4 slices of ginger, three cloves of garlic, smashed and with the skin removed. Two stalks of spring onions cut into pieces. Marinate these wings for 30 minutes. Marinate them for a few hours for better results. Marinate them overnight for lagi better or even better results. In a hot pan, over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry and brown the chicken wings for about 2 minutes on each side. When the wings are ready to flip, they will release from the pan easily. Alternatively, you can use a non-stick pan, just like what I'm doing here. When both sides of the wings are brown, pour in the remaining marinade. Add in enough water to about halfway up the wings. Push the aromatics into the water. Bring this to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Watch the water level carefully. When done, there should be only a little gravy at the bottom of the pan. The gravy is thick, dark and sticky. I've burned this dish a few times when I walked away and came back a bit too late. If at the end of 20 minutes, there's still too much water in the pan, just let it continue to boil over medium heat. Cook down the gravy till you get a thick, dark and sticky consistency. This is Chinese soya sauce chicken wings.